It's happy vlogmas day 9, even though I look terrible. Oh my god, I used to do this. Do you remember this ponytail I used to do back in like middle school? Brianna, I'm making Brianna on her 18th birthday, might I add, do my photos for my class. she's not happy with me.
Shut up.
I'm having to bring out this camera that I filmed my main videos with because my other one died. Anyways, okay, hold on. So write this on that piece of paper.
You want me to write it?
Actually, go ahead and write everything except for A.
Is that a name?
Surreal, yeah, that's like a little animal thing or some
an animal.
Brianna, I have nothing else better to do with my life, so this is all they're gonna get for the day.
Right. Because I'm Tinkerbell, Michael.
Why? Why do you have them on? Is she supposed to be like some letter thing?
I'm a
Wait, is she supposed to be like the elf in the North Pole?
This is not elf, this is fairy.
Okay.
Wait, are you FaceTiming me or am I just on a call?
No call.
Okay, go ahead, sorry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bree Bree. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You don't sound happy on your birthday.
Because I'm doing Kayla's schoolwork.
Kayla!
No. I'm taking pictures.
Taking pictures.
So I am her model.
Back at it again with Vampire Diaries, and I am editing photos and putting stuff into files and everything. Not much of an update because I'm still in the same spot doing the same thing. Actually, I've had dinner. That's a lie. And I'm waiting 30 more minutes until my 6:45 meeting with one of my teachers for my portfolio. So that's exciting. And my camera just went out of focus. Did I move my countdown yet? Holy crap, we didn't move it yet. Okay, 16 days.
Is he okay?
Yes, I'm still watching the Vampire Diaries. Okay, welcome back to my video, everybody. Basically, I'm going to do a what I want for Christmas or Christmas wish list video, whatever you want to call it, for 2020. This I'm doing because I decided that today being December 9th, it'll give you guys at least 2 weeks or like, okay, 15 days to like figure out what it is that you guys may want for Christmas, and maybe you'll go off of what I asked for, I don't know. So I have on my laptop here a little list of the things that I asked for Christmas. So one of the first things that I want for Christmas is a tablet for Photoshop editing. So basically there's this tablet, almost, it's not even like an iPad, it's like a black tablet type thing, and you can literally use the pencil that comes with it to like edit on your Photoshop, or pictures on your Photoshop app. Next thing that I'm asking for is a beauty fridge. I know that I told you guys a beauty fridge would be awesome, and that's because I asked for one. So a beauty fridge, I'm not even gonna get into what it does or whatever because I'm sure a lot of you guys know what it does, but I do want a beauty fridge. I am obsessed with face masks, jade rollers, skincare, all types of stuff, so I would love to have a skincare fridge. Right. The next thing that I asked for was the Maddie Ziegler palette from Morphe, and I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, Maddie Ziegler, like,
do you like Dance Moms or something?
but I want the Maddie Ziegler palette so bad. It's got so many pretty colors in it, and I want it so bad. So hopefully I get it because I love makeup. I love all types of makeup, obviously. Okay, the next palette that I asked for was the Nikki Tutorials eyeshadow palette. I love Nikki. I've watched her videos. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, from the very beginning, but like I've watched them for quite a few years. So seeing her come out with her own palette just, Alright, all this next stuff is that I asked for from my granny. So the first thing that I asked for is the Lancome La Vie Est Belle perfume. I probably butchered that, and that's perfectly fine. So I have the knockoff right here. It's the In Style Fragrances, and see, it says it right there, but like, and it smells so good. Oh my god. The next two things I asked for were books. I asked for 1,000 Boy Kisses. I've talked about this before on my first Book Talk Tuesday video. And the second book that I want is The Risk by Elle Kennedy, because I have You can't even see it, but I have the chase up there. All right, so the next thing that I want is a personalized name necklace. I feel like this would be so cute. Obviously, I have like name pendants and like little like name necklaces, but like I really kind of want, I'm torn between the idea of one just being like cursive letter, because I don't think I've ever had one like that, and then I want one that has like spaced out letters like what's all over Instagram right now. The next thing that I wanted is from Etsy. It's a Gossip Girl signed like script thing. Basically, it's like I want to say it's the front page, and it's a signed like script. So the next thing I have is Audrey Hepburn's collection movies. I don't know if you guys knew this, but I have Breakfast at Tiffany's. I want to say that my mom got me that for Christmas last year in my stocking, but I could be wrong. But I want the Audrey Hepburn collection movie so bad. So the next thing that I asked for is the Audrey Hepburn wall art, which I'll pop a picture up like right here. It's just like, oh, it's one of my favorite photos of Audrey. She's wearing like a towel on her head, and she has like a house robe on, and she's blowing like a blush pink bubble gum. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I want it so bad. All right, so that's all I have planned for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration on what to ask for Christmas, or maybe what to get someone for Christmas. Maybe this could be sort of kind of an inspiration or something. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10.